Hi, I'm Nikki, and this is my daughter,
Madison.
and we're here to make festive cake balls with you. Okay, it says in the recipe that you use a box of cake, so we've chosen white. So we're gonna open it up. Do you want to do that, Madison? I'll get the bowl. It says to make the cake mix according to the directions on the box. So it says we need 1 cup of water, 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. Do you need some help?
I can't open it.
There we go.
Then you pour it in. And try not to spill it.
Alright.
Now it's in. And what's the next step, Mom?
So we need a cup of water. We've already preheated our oven to 350. So we need 1 cup of water, 3 eggs,
I'll
and
add the eggs in while you get the water.
and 1/3 of a cup of oil. But we're going to use butter instead because I prefer butter over oil. So I'm gonna melt this in the microwave as she put the eggs in, and then we'll get some water.
Second egg. Third egg. These are fresh eggs from our chickens.
Okay, stir it up.
Now this is all stirred. We are going to add in the 1 cup of water. And then we're going to stir it.
You ready for butter?
Yep, I'm all ready. What's the next ingredient, Mom?
That's it for the cake.
This is it for the cake. And then we have to mix it up, and then we have to put it in the pan, which we already greased it. It's all ready to go. I'm going to continue mixing it.
Do you want to do it or do you want me to do it?
Do we keep this in the spatula?
We'll need it to wipe down the sides after. Here, I'll switch it. There you go. Just slow though. Alright, that looks like it's about done.
Now it's all done.
Here, I'll switch you. Switch you.
Unplug it, just a safety hazard.
What's your?
Then we're going to mix it. And then do we put it in the pan, Mom?
Yeah. We've already prepared a 9 by 13 pan. And we've already preheated our oven to 350.
I'm going to dump it in. Can you please hold this?
Yep.
Thank you. I'm going to dump it in. We need to get this into the inside of it. Hold it.
Careful. Don't want to make a mess. Okay, so our cake is baked and cooled down for about 15 minutes. Now we're gonna break the cake up into the bowl. Do you want to do that or do you want me to do
I
it?
want to do it.
Are you gonna use your hands or do you want to use?
Can I use
Yeah, go ahead.
It feels weird, like sponge.
We have to mix it up into small chunks. That's what Madison is doing now. And then usually you would get a large bowl and a handheld mixer and beat butter, sugar, and the rest of the ingredients for the frosting. But we cheated and we already have frosting. Once she gets it all broken up,
Spongy.
do you want to put the frosting in? Probably pretty good.
Do I still have to use my hand?
Well, I mean, you can if you want, but you should probably mix it up first with a spoon. Because it'll get really messy really quickly.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna mix it now. Mix, mix, mix.
We have our cookie sheet already prepared. I forgot to buy parchment paper, so I used tin foil with a tiny, tiny little bit of shortening. Do you want me to help?
Okay.
Is your arm getting sore?
Not yet. My little spaghetti arms. Okay, I think this is all done. I'm gonna get over with my hands. I might need a towel and napkin and stuff. Since you know, it gets pretty dirty. Do I'm gonna put them in little balls.
Yep, mix it up well, and then we have to stick it right on this pan.
This feels like slime kind of, but very chunky.
Chunky slime.
Ew.
Chunky edible slime.
But it's not stretchy. Is this good, Mom?
Yep. All right, so it says to take about a tablespoonful, so you should probably measure it out so we can get them all the same.
So like about that much? Right?
Mm-hmm. Definitely try to make them the same size. Yep.
Do you freeze them before we dip them?
Yes. Have to put them in the freezer for about 15 minutes until they're solid. And in that time, you can prepare your 2 dishes with the chocolate chips and coconut oil, but we'll get to that as soon as we're done making these balls. All right, we're all done. Now I'm going to go put the pan into the freezer. And like I said, for about 15 minutes or until they're hard.
Hi guys, we're back. We're gonna do the chips now. We at least want a cup and for spilling is my middle name, so no, literally.
I'm gonna have to add some coconut oil to it, so about a tablespoon for a cup. And if you're doing 2 cups, then you would need 2 tablespoons. Oh, make sure it's level. You don't want too much because it'll make it too runny.
Yeah, I should know that when I was making my hot chocolate balls.